Okay, let me start. Okay, let us have a recap of what is that we have discussed yesterday, and we can continue from there. Okay. So Vamshi and Madhu, what is that we have seen yesterday, Vamshi and Madhu? Basically, I mean, we have seen what is different types of clouds that are available. That is IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. We have seen PaaS, which is platform as service. We have just discussed SaaS, which is software as service. So we have seen three different types of cloud provider providing us the facilities. Okay. Then we have discussed what is an enterprise, what is an enterprise database. We have seen what is an enterprise and what is an enterprise database. We have seen, and we have seen what is an OEM. Okay, with respect to database. We have discussed about a couple of OEMs like Oracle, Microsoft, IBM, HP. These are the OEMs. And now we know that and now we know the difference between an OEM and an open source software. For an open source software, there will not be any support, whereas for OEMs, you will have support. So these are the things that we have seen. These are the things that we have seen. Okay. And one of the important thing that I want to share with you is, as I told you yesterday, Oracle is a software which is developed in C language. So whatever the rules that are applicable to C language, those rules are applicable to Oracle as well. Okay, so Rita, if you remember these points we have discussed yesterday. Okay, today let me start sharing my screen. Okay, hope all of you are in front of your computers. So are you able to see my screen? Team, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, okay, thanks. So I want you to go to let me ping in the chat room. Okay, please go to this website. Okay, livesql.oracle.com. Okay, can you please type this in your browser? livesql.oracle.com. Okay, can you just go to livesql.oracle.com? Okay, in the right side, you will see something called as the sign in. In the right side, you will see something called as sign in. Team, are you able to see on the right side? You will see something called as sign in. Can you please click there? Click on the sign in. Click on the sign in. Okay, since I'm already signed in, okay, it is directly taking me to the window. Just click on sign in. Okay, there in the below you will find something. Let me take another browser. Let me try it in another browser. Live. livesql.oracle.com. Okay, go to this site. Okay, go to sign in. Okay, here you have something called as create account. Okay, go to this create account. Click on that create account. Vamshi, Narendra, you're not able to see my screen, is it? You can talk, okay? I have unmuted all of you.
Yeah, I am not able to see your screen.
Are you able to see my screen or not?
No.
One second.
Oh, no.
Screen. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you want me to show again what is that I have done?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go back. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I want you to go to livesql.oracle.com. Okay. livesql.oracle.com. Okay. There on the right side, Vamshi, if somebody can talk, that will help me, Amma. Okay. If you are unable to see, please let me know. Okay. Yeah. So go to the sign in. Okay. Click on the sign in. Okay. What is that we are doing here is, Rita, we are trying to get a cloud account for ourselves. So this will be a restricted cloud account. This will be a restricted cloud account. And we are just procuring that restricted cloud account for free of cost. Okay. So here you just type on create account. You type on create account. So Vamshi, have you typed on that create account, Vamshi?
Yes.
This will ask you for some details like your email ID, what is the password you want to have. Okay. So this password can be a different password from your mail password. But for easy thing, okay, you can put the same password. Give your email address, give password, retype password, country India, your first name, last name, job title you can put as DBA, a work phone you can put as your mobile number, okay, and company name some whatever it is, okay, ABC Technologies, whatever you want to put something, okay, so that it won't reject. And when it comes to state province, okay, you can select any of the states in India and put some postal code, and just say create. Okay, that will create an account for you. Vamshi, is that clear, Vamshi?
Yeah.
Okay, we have some BTech students. Okay, let me help them. Okay. So yesterday we have some BTech students, right, Amma? If you can talk, okay, that will be good, Amma. Or you ping in the chat. Okay, since you are little new to this world, okay, I want to help you in doing this. Okay, Megan, 1 second. Let me try to unmute you. Megan, can you try now?
Yes, sir. I have created.
Yeah, you are able to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So the creation of account is once most of you have completed creating account, please let me know. So this will be your cloud. So it will be, so you will take at least 3 days to become familiarized with the environment. Okay. So cloud environments, generally they will have their own parameters. It will take at least 2 to 3 days for you to get accustomed to that. So the responses will not be like your own home ground environment. So we need to understand. So 2-3 days you will get adopted to the cloud. So what is that we have connected is an Oracle cloud. Okay. So Fayaz, so we have connected to an Oracle cloud environment, Fayaz. So we are trying to create our own account. Since this is a free account Fayaz, they will have, I mean, it will have certain restrictions. Okay. So Padma, this is a free account Padma. So this will have some restrictions. So I will tell you what will be those restrictions, but it will not be a showstopper for us. It will not be a showstopper for us for sure. Okay. So Madhu, hope you created the things, Madhu. So can everybody help me by pinging in the chat if they are able to do it or not? If you are stuck somewhere, okay, I will try to assist you. Meghana, okay, done. Okay. Company name and all. Okay. Snehalata, you can put whatever it is, whatever it is. Okay. It will not validate that. Okay. Just there should be some entry there. Kalpana, what is that you want, Amma?
So from starting, can you repeat once more, sir?
Okay. Kalpana, you go to your browser. Okay. Chrome. Then you type livesql.oracle.com. You go to your browser and type
Yes,
livesql.oracle.com. Is it done, Amma, Kalpana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right side, you will have something called sign in. Right side, you will have something called sign in.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. On that sign in, you click, Amma. On that sign in, you click.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After clicking on that sign in, okay, you will see something called as create account.
Yes, sir.
Little bottom, you will see create account. Okay.
Okay.
Click on that create account, Amma. Click on that create account. Okay. Click
Yes,
chase.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it will show you this page. Email
Yes,
address.
sir.
Okay. Please give all these entries, Amma. Okay. Give your email address, password. You can retype your password. Okay. Country
Okay.
name, India. Your first name, last name, job title. Work phone is your job title. You can put as a programmer or a developer, whatever the DBA, whatever you want, you put. Work phone, give your mobile phone. Company name, you can put as some ABC Technologies. Address, you give Hyderabad, Madhapur, whatever you wish. City, you can put Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, whatever it is. Select the state and zip code, you can give something.
Thank you, sir.
Emma, you're doing it right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem, no problem. Alim, hope you are able to create your own account. Alim, Padma, Rita, I hope you were able to create your own accounts. Very good, Alim. Thanks. 1 second, Amma, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yes, Prashant. Good evening. It's Shweta because it said name is Shweta. What happened to this day? The other day, I mean, sorry? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Let us let me try to reach out. Yeah, I will try to reach out to them. I will. Okay, I recommend all of you to connect from a laptop or a system. Okay, not from phone, because we need to practice parallelly, and you cannot do that practice on mobiles. Okay, so ensure that you are logging from a laptop. So now that all of you have created your account, okay, please log into again, go back to livesql.oracle.com. Okay, and this time sign in using the username and password that you have created. This time sign in using the username and password that you have created. Rita, hope we are on the same page, right? Hope all have created your accounts. Anyone pending, please let me know. A team say yes or no, or okay over the chat, or since most of you have been unmuted, you are allowed to talk. I want you to be a little interactive. Okay. So I got one reply created. Meghna, please log in and be in sync with what is that I am doing. Smriti, have you created? Snehalata, Padma, Narendra. This is very much needed. We'll have some fun actually. Okay, Narendra done. Prashanti done. Smriti done. Devika done. No, your username Padma is your email ID. Padma, your email ID is your username, and the password there, what you have given is your password. Whatever the username that you have created, na Padma, that is your email ID is your username, and what is the password that you have given is your password. Okay, Padma, just go to the same account and log in using the email ID and password. Deepak also done. Padma is, I think, okay. She said thank you. That means she is logging in. How about others? Okay, I'm waiting for others to confirm so that we can start on the coding part. Team, I'm waiting for others. Okay, if you have completed it, okay, please respond. Okay, response is more important for all of us. Very good, Snehalata. Good to see. Okay, you have completed. Please try to log in, beta. Okay, please try to log in. So you have 8 to 9 people who have completed that. Okay, rest of the people, okay, please message me if you have done or not. Good, Bharti. Okay, good to see that you have done. Okay, Bharti, log in. Try to log into the livesql.oracle.com using your email ID and password. So Bharti, Snehalata, Padma, Deepak, Kalpana, Prashanti, Narendra, Smriti, Devika. Okay, these are the people who have completed. Okay, Meghana also completed. So if others can confirm, okay, I will start showing you how to do the coding. So Padma, just try to log in again. If you are idle for some time, it will show that your session is ended. That's the reason I'm asking everyone. Okay, once everyone completes, all of you can log in again. Okay, log out and log in again so that the session will remain. Even for me now, it will say the session is ended. So for free cloud, okay, if you are not working for more than 3 minutes, it will automatically log out. So in the interest of time, okay, I'm just saying start coding here. So Bharti, just press on start coding, Uma. Just press on start coding. Okay, it will take you to a window. Okay, this window is called as SQL worksheet. Okay, this window is called as SQL worksheet. This window is called as SQL worksheet. Okay, here we will give our inputs or our here we will write our logic, our program and everything. Okay, and below we will see the output, and below we will see the output. Okay, so first and foremost thing, okay, I want to tell you, I want to see today's date by us. I want to see. I am seeing page expired page on your screen. Okay. You may be you're saying. 1 second. One second. Let me share everything to you. Let me share everything to you. Okay. Let me stop sharing. I will share the things again. Share screen. Chrome worksheet. Share. Are you able to see now? Are you able to see now? Alim, are you able to see now?
No, sir, only we can see that Zoom and there is a small window. The window is not able to see.
Okay. Any luck now?
No, nothing, just Zoom page.
Okay, for others, I mean, are you not able to see like SQL worksheet? I'm typing here something.
You can see just like a pop-up window. The SQL tool.
Okay, 1 second. New share. Share. Any luck now?
Yeah, we can see now.
Okay, are you able to see something called SQL worksheet, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so SQL worksheet I have given. I have issued a simple command called, there is one table in Oracle, Amma, which is used for every purpose. So Padma, there is one table called dual table, dual, DUAL. Okay, dual is a dummy table. This is used for every purpose. So what is the simple command that I'm giving Padma is select sysdate from dual. That means give me today's date. Selecting means I am asking database to give me something. What is that I am asking, Fayaz? I am asking database. I am asking database to give me today's date. Okay. So all of you, if you can type this in your system, okay, all of you, if you can type, since most of you have logged in, okay, can you please type, okay, what is that I have given in the chat, okay? Select the sysdate from dual, okay? Just okay. After writing select sysdate from dual, put a semicolon. What is the meaning of semicolon is Padma? You are ending a command, okay? In C, to end a command, what is that we will do? We will put a semicolon. Since Oracle is developed in C, the same thing will be followed here. The same thing will be followed here. Okay. So what is that you are doing? Select this is date from dual. Okay. Just select this, and on the right side corner in green color, you will see something called as run. You will see something called as run. Are you able to see, Padma? Just click on run. Okay. So you will see today's date in the bottom. In the bottom, you will see today's date as 4th August 23. Okay. 4th August 23. If somebody is getting session expired, okay, you need to relog in. You just relog in and go to Prashanti, just go relog in Amma and start going there. So were you able to give the command? Is it successful for any of you? Can you please ping me in the chat room whether it is successful or not? So for Meghna, it is done. Deepak, it is done. So you got the output as well, right, Meghna, in the bottom? So today's date?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Deepak, it is done. Okay, Smriti done. Very good, very good. Narendra done. Devika done. Very good. Okay. Alim Sheikh done. Very good. So this Alim, this dual is something, it will give you everything. Whatever you want, it will give you Alim. Okay. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Simple things. It will give you the output. It will give you the output. So it has that intelligence to give you the output. It is very easy. It is very easy. Okay. This is not complex and we will enjoy doing it. Okay. Devika done. Very good. So others, please start doing it. Okay. Relog in. Okay. People who have done already. Okay. I want to show you another query. Okay. People who have done already. Query means the request. Query means request, Alim. Okay. Alim, I want to find what is 10 plus 15. Okay. Select 10 plus 15 from dual. Okay. Simply say select 10 plus 15 from dual and say run. So if you see, it is showing us 10 plus 15 only. Okay. If you see 10 plus 15 is the column, and what is the output, Alim? The output is 25. The output is 25. Very good, Alim. It is 25. Prashanti, very good. Alim, Prashanti, can you try 25 into 35? Can you just try select 25 into 35 from dual? Alim, Prashanti, Padma, Bharti, just can you try that beta once? Narendra, sorry, Narendra, can you try it once? Just say select 25 into 35 from dual, select it, run it. Devika, dual is a table, Devika, which will give you the output. Okay. To get the output, we use something called dual in Oracle. Okay. It is a table. It is a table used for temporary purpose. It is a table which is used for temporary purpose. So Alim, you got it as 785. Okay. So Alim, can you do select this? Let me show you one other thing. Smriti and Alim. Okay. Select 100 divided by 20 from dual. So can all of you try this? Okay, select 100 divided by 20 from dual. Select 100 divided by 20 from dual. Prashanti, very good. 5 is the result. Very good, Prashanti. Ranjan, okay, I'm waiting for you. Alim, I'm waiting for you. Narendra, I'm waiting for you. Speed. Devika, I'm waiting for you. Can you please try this and update me? Prashant, done. Ranjan, done. Just give 100 divided by 5 from dual. Very good, Alim. Very good, Meghna. Very good, Narendra. So request others also to be doing this. Very good, Devika. Others, please be fast. Please be fast. Ranjan, done. Very good. Please feel free to talk. Okay, if very good, Deepak. Very good, Deepak. Okay, if any of you have a doubt, okay, please feel free to ask. So I'm going ahead and doing something else, Abdul. Okay. Select 100 minus 70 from dual. Okay, I need to put a semicolon. Semicolon, what is the purpose of semicolon, Padma? Once you say semicolon, that means the command is ending there. That is the end of the command. Okay. So 100 minus 70 is 30. Okay, Padma raised a hand. Padma, please tell me, Padma, any clarification you need? Okay. So I need to unmute Padma. Second, where is Padma? Yeah. Allowed to talk. Yeah, Padma, please talk now.
Sir, I'm stuck at getting into this window. Could you help me here? Again and again, it is showing session has expired.
Okay. What is the username and password? The same password you are using, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I will show you how to do it, Padma. Just follow it now for now. Okay. I will show you how
Sure,
to.
sure. Yeah.
Once this is done, I will just help you to create it. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah.
So you are able to understand, right, Padma?
Yes, sir. I'm aware of these concepts. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That is fine.
Yeah.
Padma. Okay. What is in mathematics? What is arithmetics? So from our childhood, okay, we have been hearing about arithmetics. So what is arithmetics, Prashanti? So arithmetics is study of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Okay. What is arithmetics? Arithmetics is study of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. If you are doing these things, then these are called as arithmetic operators. These are called as arithmetic operations. Okay, Narendra. So since we are able to do addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication in Oracle, what is the meaning of that, Padma? Oracle supports arithmetic operations. What is the meaning of that, Padma? Oracle supports arithmetic operations. Prashanti, are we on the same page, Amma? Prashanti, Narendra, are you able to understand? So since Oracle is supporting addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, what does that it mean? So Oracle supports Prashanti arithmetic operations. Am I clear, Prashanti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can unmute yourself, Amma. Okay, I want to listen from you. Okay, so my way of teaching is okay. I want to transfer whatever I know to you so that it will be useful for your future. Okay, so please unmute. Okay, if you are unable to understand, even if you don't know 2 into 3 equal to 6, don't hesitate. Okay, don't keep any of your doubts with you. If you don't know anything, okay, I am here to let you know if I know. Otherwise, I will learn and tell you. Okay, please feel free to ask anything that you want, but don't keep any of the things with yourself. Okay, very good, Prashanti. So now we have seen SQL supports arithmetic operations. Okay, in Oracle or in any database, so if I have to we have to save data, there should be some data types. We have something called as data types. Using these data types only, we can save the data in the database. So there are different types of database. I would like to walk through these data types. I'm not sure whether. 1 second. I need to stop sharing again and how to share again. So are you able to see my screen, Padma?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see my screen like right in called data types in Oracle.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So there are different types of data types in Oracle. Okay. So if you want to save number, if you have to save number, okay. So Prashanti, we have 4 options. We can save number as a number. Okay. Okay. Numbers are of 2 types, Prashanti. Okay. One is called as a fixed number. Other one is called a floating point number. Floating point number will have decimals and a fixed number will not have decimals. Okay. Binary float. Okay. Binary float will be 1 point, wherein that is, it will take only single precision. Okay. Single precision. That means after point, it will take only 1 number. You have binary double, which will take a multiple, after point, it will take 2 digits. And we have integer. Okay. Integer is whole number. What are whole numbers, Prishanti? Numbers which are starting from 0 are called as integers. Okay. Anything which is less than 0 is not an integer. Numbers which are starting from 0 are called as integers. Okay. From 0 to any number is called as integer. So you have 4 types of, types. One is standard number. Other one is binary float, to use a single point digit. So double, binary double, it will use after point, you can save 2 numbers, and integer, which will save only positive numbers. Okay. So this is about your numbers. When you are creating a table, you will use these data types. Mostly we will use number as the data type. We will not use binary float or binary double or binary or integer, because if you use number, all the 3 will be covered in number itself. Okay. The next one is called as where probably I will have some questions and answers for Padma. The second one is called as character. If you want to save a character like your name, Padma or Prashanti or Smita, whatever the name you want to save, what is the data type you take? You take it as char. You take as char. Okay. So the problem with the char is, okay, if I am putting name as char, so I want to save all the names in character database. So what will happen? One person's name will be Prashanti, one person's name will be Krishna Funny, one person's name will be Smita, one person's name will be Too Big. So what will happen is, if I am putting care, I am creating a table with the, for example, let me put it here. Let me try to put it here. So I'm typing something like this. Okay, create table A1. Okay, name, care of. So I'm allocating 20 units of memory, 20 units of storage for that. Okay, so I'm creating a table called A1. What is the column in the table, Padma? Sorry, Prashanti. The column name is name. And how many units I'm allocating, Prashanti, for that? 20 units I'm allocating. So if I am inserting a name called as, say Krishna, so which is 7 characters, but how many units I have given here, Prashanti? I have given 20 units. Out of 20 units, what is that happening to me? I am using only 7 units, KRISHNA. So the rest of the 13 units will not be used. That will go as a wastage. So in case of character data type, Padma, there will be a wastage. So generally we don't give character data type for the columns. Only we give character data type when we know the length of the string, such as, okay, if instead of name, okay, I have gender here, gender. Okay, if I am putting gender here, I will put it as 1. Okay, gender will be either female F or male M. Okay, if I know the size, then only I will use character. If I don't know the size, I will not use character. Is it clear, Padma?
Yes, sir.
So if I know the size, I will use character. If I don't know the size, I will not use character. Okay. At the same time, there is other thing in character called as varchar2. Okay. Now I am creating a table. Called create table A1. Okay. Here I am putting it as name. Instead of char, what I will do? varchar2 of, say I will put 20 or 30. Okay. Now what is happening here is, Prashanti. So how many units of storage I have given, Prashanti? 30 units. So I'm inserting a data called Krishna, which is 7 units. So if I use varchar, whatever is the remaining 23 units of storage is there, that will be returned back to the operating system. Okay, that will be returned back and can be reused. In case of character, the storage will not be given back and it cannot be reused. But in case of varchar, what is happening, Padma? You can reuse the space. You can reuse the unallocated space. Am I clear to all? Prashanti, Narendra, Vamshi, Snehalata. Please stop me, Kalpana, if you are finding something difficult. Devika, please stop me if you are unable to follow. Okay, don't hesitate. Okay, yeah, clear. Very good, Prashanti. So varchar2 of 30 means, okay, 7 units are consumed, 23 units are free. They will be returned back to the operating system. But the disadvantage or the limitation of varchar is it will support maximum 2000 characters. So how many characters it will support, Padma? It will support only 2000 characters. Anything beyond 2000 characters, it will not support, Padma. Okay. Anything beyond 2000 characters, it will not support. So the limitation is it will support only 2000 characters. Then we have something called as nchar. Okay, like the way you have char, you have nchar. If you want to save, Padma, any data other than English language, okay, okay, char is used to save English language. Nchar, okay, you can use multi-byte character set. That means you can save Telugu, you can save Hindi, you can save Tamil. Okay, whatever the different languages are there, if you want those those things, okay, if you have Aadhaar cards, okay, on your Aadhaar card, you will find English name and local language also, okay. For such type of things, NCAR is there. NCAR is similar to CAR, but it supports more than English language. Like the way you have CAR, the way you have CAR, NVarchar, sorry, the way you have varchar 2, you have NVarchar 2 also, NVarchar 2 also. NVarchar 2 is also, similar to varchar 2, but NVarchar 2 will support you other languages. Other languages, I can say, other than English, any of the supported language. There are more than 138 languages which Oracle supports. Any of those languages, if you want to use, you have to use NVarchar. Okay. If the size of your column is more than 2000 characters, if the size of your column is more than 2000 characters, then you use something called as CLOB. LOB stands for large objects. CLOB means character large objects. CLOB means character large objects. If anything is more than 2000 characters, then you have to save it using CLOB. For example, you want to save your BTech practical record, which will be, say, 40 to 50 pages. So those such big text cannot be saved in 2000 characters. Therefore, any data which is more than 2000 characters, if you want to save the character data, you save it in something called as CLOBs. Okay. And any non-English data which is more than 2000 characters you want to save, then it gets saved in your NCLOB. Okay. So in characters, you have 6 categories. One is char, the other char is fixed length. Okay. If you give a bigger string, what will happen? There will be a loss of space. So generally we use it only for fixed length. Then we have varchar 2. Then we have NVarchar, NCAR and NVarchar 2. So N stands for non-English languages. You can not only English. If you want to save other languages, you can save here. CLOB is character large object. Anything which is more than 2000 characters, which will be saved in CLOB. Okay. Any non-English language more than 2000 characters you want to save, it will go into NCLOB. Am I clear, Padma? Prashanti?
Yes, sir.
Narendra, clear kadama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kuncham, just keep responding to me. Deepak, if you are unable to follow Deepak, please don't hesitate. Okay, please don't hesitate, beta. You can directly ask. Devika, you are able to follow, right? Very good. Thanks, Omshi. Thanks for the update.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. So if you want to save a date and time, okay, you have 3 things. One is date. So what is the advantage of date is it will save the date. Along with the date, it will take the time information also. Along with date, it will capture the time information also. There is something called as timestamp. Okay. Timestamp not only captures the date, but it will capture the seconds and milliseconds. In date, it will capture only up to seconds. In timestamp, it will capture up to fraction of a second. So if you see like Chandrayaan and other things where, for all your rocket technology, not only seconds, but fraction of second is also very important. Not only second, but fraction of second is also important. In such projects, okay, people will use something called as timestamp. So timestamp will capture not only up to seconds, but to fraction of seconds. So what is an interval, Prashanti? What is an interval? Interval is time between 2 durations. Okay. From start time to end time is called as interval. Okay. You are starting to your college. Okay. Probably at 7 o'clock. And you are reaching your college at 7:45. That 45 minutes is called as interval. Interval will have a start time and interval will have an end time. So the time gap between start time and end time is called as interval. Okay. We can save the intervals also. Okay. Generally, these intervals will be used by your airlines, your railways. They will understand when the train has started and when it is reached. Okay. So intervals will be used by extensively travel industry. Okay. So there is something which is called as blob. This is very, very important. Blob stands for binary large object. Okay. If you want to save a document, okay, a document, a PDF file, a PDF book, or if you want to store a movie from your YouTubing database, then what is that you will use, Padma? You will use blobs. Blobs are binary large objects, and these are used for big images, photos. You can save your photos, you can save documents, you can save everything that you want. Okay, videos, images, okay, audio files, everything that you want to save in database. What is the data type that we use, Vamshi? We use something called as blob, Vamshi. We use something called as blobs. Bharti, we use something called as blobs, which is binary objects. Okay. There is other data type called as Boolean data type. There is other data type called as Boolean data type, Bharti. This Boolean data type is used to capture true or false. Okay. You want to conduct a poll. You want to conduct a poll. Okay. Like for example, you want ABC as prime minister or not. The poll is true or false, yes or no. So in such cases, what is that we will do? If the poll is for yes or no, true or false, then we'll go with Boolean. We'll go with Boolean as the option. Okay. So for true or false, we can use Boolean. Am I clear, Bharti?
Yes, sir, you're clear, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay, thanks, Emma. Okay. Now let us try to create a small table. Let us try to create a small table. Okay, I have to share again. Okay, stop sharing. 1 second, Emma. You share. Hope you are able to see my screen, right? Bharti, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir, I can see your screen, sir.
Okay, you are seeing that SQL worksheet only, right, Beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I'm trying to create a small table, Bharti. Okay, create table ABC. Okay, I'm just putting some name ABC. Then I'm putting a number. Okay. B varchar 2 of 10. C I'm putting as date. Okay. So that I am done, I will put semicolon here. I will try to execute this. So what is that? It has given Bharti, it has given us table created. Okay. Can all of you try this in your system? Okay. Once whoever is able to create and run. I'm just pasting it in the chat window. Okay. I'm pasting it in the chat window. Okay. If you can do this. Okay. Very good, Meghna. Very good. Abdul. Meghna, if you have done it, okay, I request you to do another thing. Okay. Instead of create table ABC, can you create something called as 1ABC? Create table 1ABC. Just put one Meghna in front of the table and tell me whether you are able to create or not. Padma, this is important for you. Okay, can you try creating that? Okay, or just let us listen to if somebody comes with a response. So just try to create one ABC. Okay, I'm just giving a command called run. So if you see, okay, Abdul, it will tell that invalid table name. If you see, if you are trying to create a table called 1ABC, if you are trying to create a table called 1ABC, what is that it is telling, Bharti? It is telling invalid table name. The reason for that is, Bharti, a table name should always begin with a character. A table name should always begin with a character. It should never begin with a numeric value. Okay. Instead of one ABC, if I make it ABC1, if I make it ABC1, okay, now you see it will get created. Table got created. Padma, you got the logic right, Padma?
Yes, sir.
So table name should always begin. Table name should always begin with a character. Okay. It cannot begin with a numeric value. Okay. Let me try to put some special character here, Padma. Let me put some dollar here, dollar ABC. I'm trying to create something called dollar ABC. Okay. So it is telling invalid character. So it should never start with a numeric value. It should never start with a special character. Did you got the point, Padma?
Yes, sir.
So the moral is it should always start with character. It should always start with character. Prashanti, hope we are clear, right, Prashanti? Very good, Vita. Yeah. So there is one slide, okay, which the institute asked me to share with you. I'm sharing that. Okay. 1 second. Stop sharing. Start sharing. This is the one. So this is the communication logical abstract wants me to get communicated to you. Okay. So this is about the course content and all that stuff. Talk to us. Okay. Then so this is general information which they asked me to pass on to you. So for any queries, you can call, you can reach out support at logical abstract. Okay. So they have given you a WhatsApp chat for you for communication and all that stuff. So hopefully, okay, this is something which for any queries you can reach out to them if you need anything else. Okay. So they are available between 9 AM to 7 PM IST timings from Monday to Saturday. So this is the information which they asked me to share with you. This is something which is non-technical, but this is an operational information which I'm sharing with you. Okay. So let me go back to chat. Could you please provide WhatsApp group link, please? So here is WhatsApp group link. Here is WhatsApp group link. Okay, here is WhatsApp group link. What I will do is tomorrow I will ask Ayesha to join the call. Okay, and she will brief you on what are the things that you need. You can ask her, Prashanti and Padma. So she's from the operations team. Padma. She can assist you on giving the WhatsApp link and everything. Okay. So what is that we have seen today? We have successfully created our account in cloud. Okay, most of us were able to successfully create our accounts in cloud. We were able to log in. We were able to do some basic stuff. So what is that I will do is whatever the queries that we have written in the cloud, I will put it in the. Let me put that in. Let me put that in the chat window so that for the benefit of everyone, you can copy and paste it in your notepad. Please copy and paste it in your notepad so that it will be useful for you in future things. Please copy and paste it in notepad. Okay. So thank you all for today. Tomorrow we will continue with a much more interesting discussion, and I will make it very lively for you. I will give you more examples I want you to do. And if you are unable to progress, I will help you. Okay. My way of teaching is I want to, yes, Ranjan, you can get all these videos, and that's the reason I'm telling Aisha will be part of the call tomorrow. She will be helping. She will be helping you in these videos and everything else that you may require. Thank you so much all for participating. Have a good day. Bye.